Hey guys, we're up to the third bed poncho outdoors. Today we are working on the Project Gemini boat. You'll see it is trash. So we're going to begin by taking out the control box using a very large Phillips. Alright, after a little persuader spray, we'll call it, we'll take out these 3 screws in the back. I'm going to switch this head out for a flathead. You should be able to put it right down into this little notch and spread that box right apart. Now you see there's all your goodies. That is the inner workings of the control box. Pretty easy from here to take your throttle and shifter cables out. It's just going to be a matter of popping this off again with a flathead. Released. Another one right there. Okay, that's the first cable. Remove the other side of the box. This one, obviously, you see it has the 2 screws that we're going to take off. Those are both flatheads. Give it a good push. There we go. Set that screwdriver aside. Undo that one by hand. Undo that one by hand. Set that plate off to the side. Again, take our flathead, get it under that knob, and just kind of turn your flathead, and that will help to pop that up. Give it a little more go. And now the fine line here is being careful not to bend the arm. The parts inside this box are not cheap to replace, so you want to make sure that you're being very careful with these parts. Get inside there. You do get a little stiff over time. I'm sure you can tell this box is probably 23 years old, if not older. I'm gonna run over there and grab my vice grips. Give this thing a little more grab. There we go. All right. Now we can just grab our other flathead. Help to pop that boy out of there. Alright, now that is totally separate. So this mechanism essentially is your throttle. But I'm going to set that aside. Okay. Alright, now that we are ran through the boat. We're going to try to get these new cables into the box. This part can be a bit of a hassle. It takes a little bit of finessing sometimes, finagling, to get everything to lay just right to get put in there. There we go. Like I said, it can be a little sketchy trying to get that thing on there sometimes. But we're going to grab the other side, and hopefully I can show you guys a little bit better how to put it back in. So this side will manipulate the throttle. So we're going to just slide that right into the hole. All right. Take that, the pin, and drop right in there. Then we're going to grab that shield that this one uses. Make sure everything's lined up. Grab our flathead. Okay. Alright, so now that the back is back on this box, I'm going to put these screws back in. I'm not going to refine these too hard. I want to be somewhat gentle because I want to get back into this before too long, maybe to recondition the box. I want to make sure everything's working nice and as it's supposed to. But to do so, you really got to put the whole box back together just to make sure that everything is doing what it should. Looks like all of my cables are working like they should. Next up, we're going to look at taking the cables on and off of the motor itself.